friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve the two most important quadratic equations by factorization method. Now the question is, solve by factorization method this quadratic equation. It seems to be very complicated. First of all, the trick is take this term, constant term, and factorize it. Make factors multiply 2a square into 2b square, that is 4a square and b square. Break it 4ab and ab. The factors are 4ab plus ab, that is 5ab. Convert 5ab into 4ab plus ab. Now take 2a common, a plus 2b. Take b common, a plus 2b. A plus 2b, 2a plus b. Now the second trick is take this middle term, coefficient of x, that is 9a plus b. Convert it into these terms, that is write 9 as 3 into 3. Then multiply 3 by a and 3 by b. Now break 3a into a plus 2a and 3b into b plus 2b. With a take 2b, with a take 2b, and with b take 2a. Now multiply them 3, a plus 2b plus 3, 2a plus b. Now substitute these simpler values in the given equation. 9x square minus 3 a plus 2b and 2a plus b, x plus a plus 2b and 2a plus b. Now multiply 3, 3a plus 2b x minus 3, 2a plus b x, a plus 2b, 2a plus b is equal to 0. From first two terms take 3x common, that is 3x minus a plus 2b, and write the same term here, 3x minus a plus 2b. The coefficient of 3 is 2a plus b with minus sign. Then 3x minus this term common and 3x minus 2a plus b. Equate them to 0. 3x minus a plus 2b is equal to 0. 3x minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. So the value of x will be a plus 2b by 3 and the value of x is 2a plus b by 3. This is the required answer in method of solving this equation. Now the second question is, solve by factorization method this quadratic equation. The factors of 16 will be 16a minus b square and 16a plus b square. The factors will be 4 into 4, 16, and a minus b, a plus b, and a minus b, a plus b. These will be the factors of this term. Now write 8 as 4 into 4 and 4 plus 4. A split a square minus b square, write it as a minus b and a plus b, plus 4a minus b and a plus b x plus 16 a minus b whole square is equal to 0. Take a plus b common and x common. Write the term a plus b x plus 4a minus b. Write the same term here, a plus b x plus 4a minus b. The coefficient of a plus b x will be 4 a minus b. Now take this term common, a plus b x plus 4a minus b and a plus b x plus 4a minus b. Equate them to 0. A plus bx plus 4a minus b. A plus bx is equal to minus 4a minus b. So the value of x will be minus 4a minus b by a plus b. A plus bx is equal to minus 4a minus b. So the value of x is minus 4a minus b by a plus b. This is the required answer. If you like the video, then give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share videos with your friends. Bye bye.